Watch me just follow.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Apologies for my 2-month absence. I have had a very long Christmas break. It is summer in Australia, so we've been enjoying the weather. And if you watch me regularly, you know that I whinge every day, every year around this time because of the extreme heat. It is not conducive to filming videos. So I basically really struggle to do any. So I'm back because it's quite cold today. So I have a super exciting double whammy review swatchy type thing to show you today. So I have 7 fantastic polishes from Hit the Bottle. These are the Fruit Tingles collection, and as you can see, they are all beautiful pastel cream shades. And I will get to the names in a minute. Hiding underneath is my brand new plate, which is the Botanicals Mini. So Botanicals 01, it launches tomorrow, which is the 17th of February. All of my stockists will be in the description bar below. Now we do have coming on board tomorrow, Girly Bits Cosmetics in Canada. They are an exclusive Canadian stockist. So if you want anything and you're in Canada, you can go and see the lovely ladies there or purchase online. I'll leave all, as I said, leave all the information below. I'm going to stop waffling. What I'm going to do is I am going to swatch all 7 colours and some of the images on the plate. I am using this colour here, and I'm going to be doing it on these nails because I've got some really crap swatch sticks at the moment and they bend and they're awful. Now the colour I have used as my base is Tinker Tailor from Magpie. This is one of their beautiful gel colours. So I'm literally just going to get straight on with it. I'm going to swatch and I'm going to put the names on the screen and I'm going to come back at the end and let's get to it. Okay, I just thought I'd better show you the plate before we start. That always helps. So this is Botanicals Mini 01. There is another one launching and it is a big layering plate called Spring 2018. I'll link a video that Sarah did below, shows you how to use that one. It's called Sneak Peeks. Now this one obviously is all florals. So there's 2 larger images and then all the rest are very sort of delicate flowers. Now these are great for LED lighting or if you want to do decals or reverse stamping, and you can colour in these petals. We've done it so that it's quite easy to do that. One thing I would say is work very quickly. These are fine images, which means if you work too slowly, the polish will literally dry in all these fine lines. You need to work quickly, very light hand when you pick up your images. If you press too hard, you just won't pick anything up.
Watch me just follow every move. Touch me. Let me know you want it too. Don't know what you need, but I got what you want, babe. No, we don't have to leave. The night is still young. All we need is now. Don't ever let me go. We got the whole night. Just let me feel you close. Come surround me. Don't ever let me go. Come surround me. Just let me feel you close. Slowly, but don't wait for too long. Just hold me. We're right where we belong. Don't know what you need, but I got what you want, babe. We don't have to leave. The night is still young.
Okay, all done, and I have used the Ugly Duckling matte top coat to finish these off. I think matte and creams look lovely together. So as I've said before, the Ugly Duckling matte top coat is epic. There's nothing like it that I've come across. It stays matte 100% of the time. Now, the Fruit Tingles collection is absolutely gorgeous. They are so nice for you guys coming into spring in the Northern Hemisphere. Beautiful creams, pastel shades, right up my alley. I absolutely love them. Sarah will have them very soon, my UK stockist. She has her order in, so stay tuned. Now, I did use the Ugly Duckling Crystal display, so I'll link that below too. It's really nice to use. And the stamping plate, my plate, so it is the Botanicals 01. From Dixie Plates. It launches Saturday the 17th at 9 AM, so 17th of February, 9 AM in your respective stockist time zones. And Facebook group, guys, we have a Facebook group. It's really nice, it's really friendly. Dixie Plates, I'll link it on the screen. Please come, anybody can join, you don't have to be a nail tech. I'm going to leave it there, and I really hope you liked the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you've got any comments or questions, pop them in the comments box. I'll get back to you. As I said, I'll link all the products below, as I always do. And please subscribe if you haven't, guys. I'm super close to 14,000, which is awesome considering I hardly ever do any videos. So really appreciate that. I will see you in the next one. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.